everybody, and this video is about how to make a YouTube thumbnail in Canva. So how to connect Canva is very easy. So it's just like any maker. You just need to connect with your Gmail. So I'm not going to be showing that video. We're just starting with the YouTube thumbnail. And you're just gonna search in any internet browser, Canva, Canva, and you're just gonna connect with your Gmail, any Gmail that you want to use. So if you finish connecting, you will see like this here. And you can also try Canva Pro. So anyways, you might be wondering what is YouTube thumbnail. So let me show my design. So this is my design. Let's just go with all your design. You can also see your design by pressing all your designs if you finish designing. So these are all my design. So if you search in YouTube, my YouTube channel, you can see all of these pictures, right? Yeah, these are all of the YouTube thumbnail that I made. So the first one is like my fail challenge in PictoBlox, and this is how to make music in PictoBlox. This is how to download, install, and sign into PictoBlox. This is opening slime factory. This is how to reshape in Animaker. This is how to make camera timeline in Animaker. This is how to make voiceover in Animaker. This is how to make smart move in Animaker. And this is how to make action plus in Animaker. This is introduction to Animaker. And this is how to make birthday card in Scratch. And this is how to make Pong game in Scratch. So these are all the video that I made. And if you haven't checked out all those videos, you can also check out the video in my YouTube channel. So this is how it's thumbnail. And you can also pressing by changing it as well. So let's get started. We're gonna go back to home, and you can also make a YouTube icon, logo, Instagram poster. You can also make maybe flyer, infographic, card, desktop wallpaper, YouTube thumbnail. This one we're gonna make today. Animated social media, Facebook video. You can also make maybe Instagram story, A4 document, rescue, soon virtual background. Also maybe newsletter, website, YouTube video ad. You can make your own story. You can make book cover, maybe Facebook story, ebook cover, video presentation, and also YouTube channel art, and postcard and CD cover, letter, T-shirt, letterhead. I think it's hearts, yeah. Poster or landscape. Maybe you can also make worksheet, menu, and Facebook post. So you can make these with Canva. But today we're just gonna making YouTube thumbnail. So if you go with the arrow, you can see YouTube thumbnail. This one, YouTube thumbnail, and this is the size of YouTube thumbnail, and this is the right size. This is the right size you're gonna making. So press it one time. Okay. And you will see the blank in here. And these are all the templates. This is already, you just can put it if you like. But if you didn't like them, you can make by your own. You can upload maybe backdrop, no, not backdrop, I mean background. You can also do some photo here. these are all the photos. And you can also like put some things. These are all the things. Look at that. You can also research it. Search it in here. And this is the tags, and these are already tags, and you can also like add a heading tags. You can also like see already tags as well. And these are, I think it is a radio, yeah. So next is the videos one. And this is like video background. And these are the background, which is like the plain background. Let me show you. Okay, we need to wait a little bit. So these are all of the color plain background, and some of them are plain, but a little bit like flowery. Yeah, flower sometimes. But it's really plain one. I like them. Look at that, it's a really nice one. So time to choose the backdrop, and I will choose this one. And this is this size. Okay, you can also see Canva in here. Anyways, I don't really like that much at all because they have Canva. So let me just choose this one. Maybe this one. You can choose anything that you like. Okay, perfect one. So time for the tags, and you can add these tags already or make it by yourself. Just do like wall here. Okay, and you can shrink it, make it more bigger, make it grow. You can see how you're making like what you want to put. I think I would put in here, but I don't really like that much as well. Okay, I think it's a perfect one. Here. Why? Maybe like just do like, what should I do? Okay, so just tag it by yourself. Add a heading. Okay, I make it 2 times, but if you want to delete it, it's okay. So I'm showing you how to delete it. Just press it and just like press the right arrow and press delete. And you can shrink it if you like. And you can also change it. Backspace. I mean, anyways. I just do like BEAUTIFUL. 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 Make it a little more bigger. I think this could be enough. Anyways, just move it. Okay, I think it's a perfect one. It's a really perfect one here. Maybe like let's just add some things in here. Maybe. Okay. Anyways, what should I add? What should I add? Like star one. Just such it. Because I don't want to find star. If I can find some star, yeah, of course. And you can see like if you can see like if it's free or pro. So let me see. So if you see like this one like a little crown, and if you do it like just like pro, and you need to get it from Canva Pro. But if these are the free that I'm using. You can see is no. You can see it's free, just free. Put these in here, be like perfect one. This is pro. It's like this, and I don't know why it's pro and free. Anyways, this is the black one. Is it the black one? Oh no, we can change the black color, right? You can also change the color if you didn't like. You just need to press the color in here. Some of them can change, but some of them cannot change at all. You can make new color. But I'm just gonna choose the like, kind of a really blue one. Yeah, I like it. It's not that bad. This time let's make it yellow because like, I don't really like that much. This time let's just make it a little small one in here. Put it right here. Let's choose more stuff. Maybe this one is free. Okay. Let me put it. Let me like decorate beautiful one. We're just decorating them. It's a really nice one. I like it. I just choose this free one. It's free, but I like this more better. It's really gorgeous. Anyways, to delete it, make it. It's just like starfish. Anyways, maybe like this normal size. Put it here, maybe. Anyways, just find more. Is that a moon? Okay, it's okay. Is that the moon? I don't know what it is. I really want to like get like really cool one. Okay, that's a nice one. What? I'm not done. Sometimes if you could, it's like done it. Don't do anything like that. Anyways, I really like those. I really want them as well. Maybe I'll just choose it because these are the free one. Oopsie, oopsie. Ooh. Oh, what? Please, what? Okay, good one. Anyways, these one here. This one in here. Thank you. Oopsie, you're just a really pretty one. Beautiful. What beautiful you can be. It's a really nice one. I really like them. This is broke, but I really want this one as well, like the same one. Really gorgeous, maybe. Maybe it could be. Okay, it's not the one. Not that bad. I really like them. I'm just like doing the space one. Anyways, what should I choose? Oh, just Pro. Is that free? Yeah, it's free. Yes. Oopsie. Again? Oh my goodness, you're just kidding me. Make it a little more bigger. You can see more, I think so. I don't know. Okay, that's a nice one. Oh, is that? Oh, these are all of the magic one as well. I might choose the magic one. Maybe we can choose the unicorn because I like unicorn. I will say you. Make the drink it. And maybe let's just change the pink into like purple because purple is my favorite anyways. I like the one. It's really nice. One unicorn. It's really nice unicorn. As well. Let's just pro. Free one. It's a nice one. I really like them. So let's just like make this by decorating. Like maybe just decorate it with this first. Just make it like in here probably. Just decorate it by it to like to into here maybe. See, here's the large one. Okay, nice one. I like it. Just the free one. Okay, the last one we're gonna put in because I don't know if I have more space. Just this one, like this much, like this much. Okay. I'll say again. I like mine so much. It's a really nice one. It's just really nice one. I really like mine. So this is the YouTube thumbnail size. So this is how you make the YouTube thumbnail. Maybe like we can try the video one as well. Maybe like we can try the video one if we can. I think we could. So let's just download it first. You can also share it, but we just can download it first. Press download, and just press download as well. Okay, it's downloading now, and you can see it. Ooh, it's downloading. Oh, if you see like that, it means like try it free to 30 days. Just close it because I don't really want to. Okay, I think it's finished now, and you can see it in download folder. I think it's finished now. Yeah, so we can save it, go to home because already. Okay, news. So let's just choose maybe another YouTube thumbnail. Okay, just press it. But this time I'm gonna be using the video one. Video one. Please. Okay, go to videos. Videos background, probably. Is that a nice one? Some of them are pre and some of them are pro again. This is a really nice one, but I really want the like C one. It's not that cool one at all. This next one. Okay, so if you choose it just make it to all the background, because I don't just really like it for this one. Oh, sorry really much. Just gonna make it the size. Look at that size. Okay, it's okay. You can also play it. Ooh, it's a really nice one. Maybe we're just gonna add some tags to it. Just do like C. Just delete it. I don't know how to delete it. I can't find delete at all. I don't know why. Oh, we can delete now. Sorry. Sometimes we just can't delete it. Anyways. This is like my no. Favorite favorite F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T. Is that correct one? I just like doing red line. So let's find in Google, because is that the correct one? Okay, it's the correct one. F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T-E. Okay, F-A-V-O-U-R-I-T-E. I don't know why it's standing like that, but it's okay. It's the correct one. I think sometimes it's could say like that. But just put it here. Okay, really nice one. Ooh, it's really nice one. So just add some stickers, maybe just add some raw one. Peace out. I don't know. Just add C-A-C. Maybe like this one. Maybe this really nice one. Maybe. Oh, it's just Pro. It's okay. Just make it, shrink it up, and put it up in here. Okay. And you can see how it's working. I don't really like that much. Let me just choose a more free one. So these are like the same one, nearly. Okay, so you can also play it using it. Start from here. Ooh, really nice one. My favorite C. Ooh. You know, just background, video background thumbnail. So just download it again. So just press download. I'm just downloading. It's just downloading. We need to wait. And you have more things. Okay, just see it, close it. Just like that much. Okay, it's ready. So it will be on in your download. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so make sure not miss any of my videos. Oh, just press start download. It's not finished at all. It's okay. Okay, it's just downloading right now. Sorry about that. If it's video, it will ask you like that for a long one. So it will be just in your download. The photo that you save, but I don't know what photo that I save. I don't care. Bye!